Okay, good morning, kids. What we're doing today is we're working on a 66 Caddy with the 429. What they've done is they put a later model carburetor on with an electronic choke, and from the factory they ran a heat choke. There's a hole here. It would go up to the heat choke, okay? Well, we also found out that there's also another hole down here in the bottom, okay? And this was after we put the motor together. We found out it leaks exhaust out of this hole here, which would also run up to the factory carburetor heat choke. So what we're gonna do, because they're never gonna use an original carburetor again, most likely, is we're gonna drill this out. We're gonna tap it with a 1/8 pipe tap, and then we're gonna use this little lovely girl here to plug it. That way there's no more exhaust running out the bottom. Hopefully this will cure our problem, and well, we know it will. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna drill this out, and then we're gonna tap it, and we're gonna put a plug in it. So here we go. By the way, if you drill super fast like I'm trying to do, you will get this bit dull. So the best thing to do is not be impatient and drill it nice and slow. Let's see what we're doing wrong here. There we go. Okay. Drill. Broke. Okay, now look down here. Show down here. We drilled down fairly deep, and it should be enough to get this threaded. So we're gonna try to get this tapped and threaded here. Okay, so now what we've done a little ahead of time is we've drilled this down far enough, okay, and then we got our 1/8 pipe tap, and we ran it in here ever so gently.
Okay. Oh yeah. They do make aftermarkets, but I got a ton of original ones.
You don't want aftermarket.
Yeah, you don't want aftermarket ones. Their aftermarket ones are crap.
Oh, come on now.
So you need a couple of hood springs for a 52 car. Yep.
Look at that now. Don't want to start, so we're not going to mess it up. Anyway, we tap down in here.
How many would you like to make, sir?
And we got threads. And then we got this plug. And what we're going to do is fit the plug in there.
Well, they made Style Masters. It was all
screw it down in here. There we go. Now we found the threads. Go down in here. We'll probably use some kind of a pipe thread tape maybe. Anyway, we got it bottomed out. Now we'll clean up the intake, put it back on, and cross our fingers and make sure this works.